If you're tired of sweeping every single day, but don't want to spend $1,000 on a robot vacuum, this video is for you. We found 7 budget-friendly robot vacuums that actually make sense for everyday cleaning. Some have self-emptying docks, some offer impressive suction, and a few even include features you'd normally expect from premium models. But not all of them deserve your money, so stick around because we're counting down from number 7 to the best overall budget pick. Number 7, Ropevacnik S1. Starting off our list is the Ropevacnik S1, one of the most affordable robot vacuums you can buy. If you've never owned a robot vacuum before and just want something that keeps everyday dust, crumbs, and pet hair under control, this one is an easy place to start. It combines vacuuming and mopping in a single cleaning session and offers adjustable water flow for different floor types. You also get app control, a remote voice assistant support, scheduled cleaning, and automatic recharging. Considering the price, that's a surprisingly generous feature list. Its 5,200 Pascal suction handles hardwood floors, tile, and low-pile carpets well enough for everyday maintenance. Pet owners will also appreciate the brush design, which helps reduce hair tangles compared to traditional roller brushes. Of course, there are compromises. There's no self-emptying dock, no room mapping, and obstacle detection isn't always perfect. The mopping function is also better suited for light maintenance than removing stubborn stains. Still, if your goal is keeping your floors reasonably clean without spending much money, the Aura Ropevacnik S1 offers excellent value. Number 6, T-Com G8000 Max. Next up is the T-Com G8000 Max. This robot is built for people who care more about cleaning performance than fancy navigation. With 5,000 Pascal suction, it does an impressive job picking up dust, crumbs, and pet hair on both hard floors and short to medium pile carpets. It also vacuums and mops at the same time, helping cut your cleaning time in half. Battery life is another strong point. It can run for up to 150 minutes before automatically returning to recharge, making it suitable for larger homes than you'd expect in this price range. Control options are flexible too. You can use the app, remote voice assistant, or simply press the onboard buttons. Where it falls behind is navigation. Instead of using LiDAR mapping, it relies on gyroscopic navigation, so it can't save room maps or create virtual no-go zones. The mopping system also works best for light dust and footprints rather than deep cleaning. If you're okay without advanced mapping, the G8000 Max delivers solid everyday performance at a very reasonable price. Number 5, T-Com L8000 Pro. Coming in at number 5 is the T-Com L8000 Pro. Compared to the G8000 Max, this model steps things up with LiDAR navigation, allowing it to create detailed maps, clean in a more organized pattern, and save up to 5 different floor plans. Its suction reaches 6,000 pascals, automatically increasing on carpets for better pickup. It also supports vacuum-only, mop-only, or combined cleaning, giving you more flexibility depending on the job. Another thing many buyers appreciate is how quiet it is. At only around 45 decibels in its quieter modes, it won't disturb family members or pets while it's working. The app gives you plenty of control, including virtual walls, no-go zones, scheduling, and room-specific cleaning. However, it's still designed more as a maintenance cleaner than a replacement for deep manual cleaning. Like many affordable robot vacuums, occasional brush maintenance is still part of ownership. Overall, the L8000 Pro offers a very balanced package with smart navigation, quiet operation, and dependable everyday performance. Number 4, T-Com L8000 Plus. At number 4, we have the T-Com L8000 Plus. This model adds something that's still fairly uncommon at this price, a self-emptying base station. The dust bag can hold debris for up to 90 days, meaning you won't need to empty the vacuum after every few cleaning sessions. Navigation is handled by LiDAR, producing efficient cleaning paths and accurate home maps. Vacuum performance is also respectable, especially on carpets, where it performed slightly above average during testing. It even handled embedded pet hair surprisingly well. The biggest disappointment is mopping. While it technically offers 3 water flow settings, actual cleaning performance was well below average. dried stains remained behind, and users have to create no mop zones manually because the mop doesn't automatically avoid carpets. Long hair also tends to wrap around the brush much more than competing models, so frequent maintenance becomes necessary. If vacuuming is your main priority and you like the convenience of a self-emptying dock, the L8000 Plus still makes a compelling budget option. Number 3, Dream D20 Air Plus. Taking the third spot is the Dreame D20 Air Plus. This robot focuses on getting the essentials right. It delivers an impressive 20,000 Pascal suction, one of the highest numbers you'll find anywhere near this price category, and it automatically empties debris into a large 4-liter dust bag that can last up to 120 days. During testing, it cleaned efficiently, navigated smoothly around furniture, and even managed to get underneath low furniture that many robot vacuums struggle to reach. The app is refreshingly simple. Instead of overwhelming users with dozens of settings, it keeps everything clean and easy to understand while still offering vacuum only, mop only, or combined cleaning modes. Vacuuming is clearly its strongest feature. It handles dirt, leaves, crumbs, and pet hair with confidence while maintaining excellent battery life. The trade-off comes with mopping. There's no self-washing mop system, no automatic mop lifting, and users need to wet and maintain the mop manually. It's perfectly fine for removing everyday dust, but tougher stains still require traditional mopping. For buyers who mainly want powerful vacuuming with reliable navigation, the Dream D20 Air Plus is one of the strongest values on today's list. Number 2. Roborock Q7M5 Plus. Our runner-up is the Roborock Q7M5 Plus. Roborock has built a strong reputation for making reliable robot vacuums, and the Q7M5 Plus continues that tradition while staying within a budget-friendly price range. It features a self-emptying dock capable of holding weeks of debris, 10,000 Pascal suction, LiDAR navigation, and one of the easiest apps to use. Mapping is accurate, scheduling is simple, and features like no-go zones, multi-floor mapping, and real-time monitoring are all easy to access. One area where it really stands out is mopping. Hard floors look noticeably cleaner after each session, and it handles both fresh and dried spills better than many similarly priced competitors. There are still weaknesses. Carpet cleaning isn't as impressive, pet hair easily wraps around the brush roller, and obstacle avoidance isn't always reliable. You'll still want to pick up socks, cords, or small objects before starting a cleaning cycle. But if your home has mostly hard flooring and you value a polished app experience along with dependable mopping, the Roborock Q7M5 Plus is an excellent choice. Number 1. Muva P10 Pro Ultra. And taking the number 1 spot is the Muva P10 Pro Ultra. This robot offers features that normally belong in products costing far more. It packs powerful 13,000 Pascal suction together with a premium all-in-one docking station that automatically empties dust, washes the mop using hot water, dries it with hot air, and stores separate clean and dirty water tanks. Its intelligent navigation combines cameras, structured light, and advanced sensors to identify dozens of different obstacles while building detailed multi-level maps. The app offers extensive customization, including virtual walls, cleaning schedules, and room-specific control. Cleaning performance is consistently strong across both hard floors and carpets. The automatically lifting mop avoids wetting carpets, while self-cleaning mop pads reduce ongoing maintenance. Battery life is also impressive, allowing up to 2.5 hours of cleaning on a single charge. It's not perfect. Pet hair pickup on carpets could be better, and obstacle avoidance isn't flawless in cluttered rooms. Still, considering everything it offers for the price, those drawbacks are relatively minor. When you combine premium dock features, excellent suction, useful smart functions, and reliable overall performance, the Muva P10 Pro Ultra easily earns the top position on today's list. Those were our picks for the top 7 best budget robot vacuums. Whether you're looking for a simple daily cleaner, a self-emptying model, or something packed with premium features without the premium price tag, there's an option here for almost every home. If you enjoyed this countdown, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next budget tech roundup. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.